Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add songs from Instagram to Spotify. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok have popularized short form videos. Now, Instagram is copying a feature from TikTok that lets users add a song from other people's posts, reels, and song and short to their Spotify playlist. So, how to do it? It's so simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now, you can just choose on the song, maybe from the reels that you want to save to your uh, Spotify. Maybe for example, from this reels, you can just tap on the audio and you'll find there is an option like Spotify icon beside that songs. You can just tap on that. So the song will be added to your like playlist on your Spotify. And let's do the others. Edit. It's a simple right? But not all songs or audio or music that you can save to your TikTok. There's like songs that you can there's no add to Spotify on the in here. So simple, right? So that is how to save song from Spotify, from Instagram to Spotify. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.